But when you have, you know what, sometimes when you go, you have that go-get spirit, you know what happened? I remember Mayuli Rolo, she's one of the Osborne Nationals in my area. She was recruited 24 years ago in my unit when I was a brand new director. I was holding a skincare class and she went there and she didn't have any money to buy the products. She was in an abusive relationship and she became a consultant right there. She said, I don't have any money, but I want to do the business. And she started the business. She brought my first director in my unit 24 years ago. She moved to Florida, and you know what? After 17 years later, I met her again, and I was already a national. And guess what? The first thing she said, thank you so much, Sonia, for taking the time to bring me to the airport, for supply for my needs. You know, sometimes you forget things that you do, but when you go the extra mile, you're always going to be remembered, not for the bag that you're carrying or the shoes that you're carrying, but whatever you did to make somebody feel important at that moment when they needed you. So Mary Kay is not just about the products, it's about what the relationship that you build. And guess what? After 17 years, Mayuli now is one of my senior nationals that is in business. And just because she said, you know what? That was something that you changed my life, because it wasn't just about Mary Kay, it was about the relationship that I built 17 years ago. So that's what you do when you go the extra mile for your people.